Another Thursday evening and hanging out at the bus stop on 34th. Used to be a Walmart over there, Axis Medical. They do a lot of they have the human guinea pigs doing all their drug test study things. Yeah, we are having another night of rain again and about to be poured on something hard. Gotta try to get my sorry butt home before it gets too bad. So yeah, we'll see how well that goes for us. Aight? Yeah, you can probably notice it more out this window than you can through the front. Thought I'd let you all know what's going on around here so far. Show you more if there's anything really worth showing. Bye.